Welcome! Yes guys, I'm super excited and thrilled to announce the launch of my exclusive virtual book of creation series on Graphy, which is FunX Miniations, where I'm gonna share with you some very essential creation tips, go over some basics and foundation, talk personal about my journey and different craft forms, learn how to work on methods and so much more. So if craft is your passion, then join me now on Graphy to get working on your creative skills. Download the app right now. So for this you will need cardboard, paper clay, paints. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I've taken these 3 cardboards over here. After that, these are some other cardboard cutouts as well, as you can see. And these circles and rings too. So once all of these are done, I'll just take the cardboard and roll it into a shape. After doing so, as you can see, I'll just take my scissors and I'll just make some cuts over here on the bottom side. Once that is done, I'll just cut it on the other side as well, because we have to give the round shape. And then I'll just use my fingers and bend them a little inwards. So once both the sides are completed, now I'll use my hot glue gun and stick the circles on top of each other side so that the product can be now completed. And the other circle, which is on the other end, has a hole in the middle. As you can see, I've made a hole. You will understand why I've made this later on in this video, so just keep watching. And after that, I've taken this white foam sheet and I've made a cutout of this shape. So this will be the dress of the minion, basically a dungaree, and it will give you a 3D effect, so that's why I'm using that foam sheet. And now I'll just use my tweezers and I'll just make the holes on each of the sides for the hands. After that, I'll take my craft wire and I'll fold it with this white paper to cover it perfectly and make a great coiling. So a lot of you ask me how I make these coilings. So you can see it's very easy. And then you just have to remove the craft wire and ta-da, your coiling is now ready. After that, you'll take the scissors and cut it in the shape you want the hands to be. So this is the size I'm taking. You just have to measure it on your own. And then I'll just use my hot glue gun and stick these hands on each of the sides. So once the hands are now stuck, I'll just bend them a little. Now, like this similar way, I'll just start making the other 2 minions too. So you just have to concentrate and follow the steps, otherwise it's so damn easy. So you just have to keep in mind that these 3 bodies are in different size and shape. So make sure you do that. One is very tall, who is Kevin. The other one is the medium size one, who is Stuart. And the tiny one, who is very cute, is Bob, obviously. So make sure you use the body structure properly. So now as you can see, the bodies are now ready. In the same way, now these hands coilings are also ready. So now this Bob will have his hands wide open in the air like this, and Kevin will also have it in the middle. So you just have to bend them a little. After that, I'll just make the dress for each of the minions again with the same foam sheet to give the perfect 3D look. And after I'm done with that, now for the front pockets, again I'm using the foam sheet so that it can get that perfect 3D look which I really required on the dress. So now after that is done, as you know, my special ingredient which is paper clay, I'll start with that, and first I'll start with the basic. So I'll go with the dress and I'll just use my fingers to flat and smooth the edges. So paper clay will give you that perfect roundness that minion body has. So you don't have to worry about any sharp edges. So after the base is done, now we'll just give the roundness on the head as well. Over here I'm not completing the body perfectly and fully because I just want the ends to be round and smooth. So that's why after that I'll just make another hole on top, which I've already made. So like this I've done all the 3 bodies of the minions, as you can see, and now they are nicely dried. So after that I'll go with the basics and with the detailing. So I'll just make that shades which they wear on the eyes, basically an eye mask, and I'll just made it using cardboard rings. Very easy. And these 2 are for feet and hands, and this one will be legs. So once that is done, as you can see, I'll just apply these legs over here. These are very tiny and thin cylindrical shapes of cardboard, and after that I'll just apply the feet as well. So these are the cutouts. Once that is done, as you can see, I'll just take another stripe of foam sheet and I'll go for the straps over here, the dungaree straps, and I'll do it on each of the sides same way. After that I'll apply the hands too. And ta-da, the first body is ready. Same way I'll just repeat it on each of the minions to get that perfect body. So now I'll start painting the minion, and painting is my most favorite and fun part because it makes the outcome look so perfect. So I'll just start painting the body with yellow color, fabric or acrylic paint, and the base, which is the dress, with blue denim shade. So now once this body is now nicely painted, I'll go for the hands, which are black acrylic paint. Obviously shoes is black. So this body is now completed, and similar way I've completed these 2 other bodies as well. Now I'll start detailing them. So I'll start painting the eyes with white acrylic paint. And after that I'll apply the eyeball, which is dark, obviously with brown color. So as you can see, the eyes are now completed. Now I'll take a black Sharpie and I'll just make the mouth. And then the final process, which is the eye mask, I'll just apply those also. So as you can see, now this is completed. Now I've taken this black color card paper and I'll just make some lines and cuts over here this way, and then I'll fold it into a thin coiling. So this will be the hair for the Kevin minion. After that, I'll make the hole again, and it's already made. You just have to make it clearly and precisely, and then you just have to apply the hair, and then the same way with Stuart as well. After that, I'll take this black foam sheet and again I'll make the mask. So this will be the strap. So as you can see, the minions are now completed. Aren't they so cute and adorable? Now this is another piece of cardboard and I've made this guitar shape over here. And if you don't know how to make this, it's easy. You just have to go out, take a picture out of your printer, and then you have to cover it on the cardboard, and that's ready. And then I'll just use this base to make them stand. So now as you can see, these minions are ready and they look super adorable. I was so excited to make this video. So this is Stuart the minion. This is Kevin the minion. And this is Bob the minion, the cutest one. So guys, do tell me in the comment section below which minion you love the most. And if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
Hello. Hey, oh, ketchup aci, sisi. Makin mah. Kumakin ni. Tap. Quack. Ba na 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 na. Papoy? No. Papoy. Ha! Papoy! Ha! Papoy!